Hey guys, how's it going today? So I actually started this video a couple of days ago. It's going to be all about backing my clocks because I finally got some products up on my website. And they're for sale. If anybody is interested in buying any of my art, I've got, what do I have? I have some clocks up there. I have just some round, 12-inch rounds that are just finished off with velvet on the back. And you'll see all that in the videos to come. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys and say hi and say thanks for subscribing and thanks for stopping by and thanks for hitting that thumbs up sign for me and thanks for leaving a comment. I appreciate all of you and I'm so glad that you're here. So anyway, without further ado, let's get to how I finish off these records after I pour paint on them. So I got this in the mail today, and oh, I guess I should have. Oh, look, I got scissors right here. Ha ha ha. So I'm going to try and open it. They're not very good scissors. Let's see. Can I find a spot I can get in there? I think that it should be the black velvet backing, I think, that I ordered to be able to back my clocks with. So I finally will be able to give, oh shoot, what is her name? Gosh darn it, Lori. The gal who gave me the records. So, I don't know. I haven't obviously opened it, so I'm hoping I'm not horribly disappointed on camera. The roll doesn't seem as big as I was expecting it to be, but it is definitely well wrapped. Bubble wrap, anyone? My goodness. So this is supposed to be a self-stick velvet flocking. It's the kind of stuff that they use for it's the kind of stuff that they use to line jewelry drawers and stuff. And it's supposed to be black velvet. And I thought it would be fantastic for the back side of my clocks. Oh no! I mean, that'll be okay, but that is not black. Anyway, I'm going to go and check and double check to make sure that I actually ordered black. And, yeah, and then we'll start. I mean, I've been waiting for this stuff for a month now, so I'm certainly not going to send it back just because it's the wrong color, but I'll let them know that it's the wrong color, because maybe somebody is waiting for gray that they specifically need. Anyway, so that's that. Okay, I'll be back in a few. So, it was supposed to be black, but actually the silver will show my stamp better anyway, so it's not a big deal. I'm going to keep it and not complain, and I can start backing my clocks now. So I suppose it's going to be quite simple. It's self-stick, so I've just taken my pencil and marked it here and here, and then I'm going to use my straight edge. And that should be like right at the 12-inch mark, right? And hopefully that's straight. Alrighty, and I'm going to try this first. Man, that's not working very well. Okay, so there you have that. Alright, let's try this way. Let's try with this, actually. That works better. Nice. Okay, let's do this and we'll just clean this edge up a little bit. Where it needs it. Okay, well, I'm going to have to trim it anyway when I put my record down on it. So let's do that. It should be easy enough to peel this stuff off. Right? Maybe? Ah. Okay. I suppose I keep putting my hair in the way. And let's put this down. Here, I'm going to push this back out of the back a little bit that way. Sorry, guys. There. I love it. Look at the back. That looks fabulous, right? Now I just got to poke a hole through it, put a clock on it, and it'll be ready to go. So, yeah, I'm going to finish trimming it off, and that was that. That was super easy. So, yay! I love super easy things because I need things to be super easy. That's just the way it is. So this one doesn't have a clock on the front yet, but you can see that's what the back looks like now that it's all coated. And look at how pretty that is. And I have a stamp made with love on Vancouver Island. I should say handmade with love, but dang it, I'm not changing it now. Anyway. Okay, so anyway, this is the clock that's now hanging on my room. One of the things that happens is because they're so lightweight, they tend to go in and pull in. I don't know if you can see that. See how it pulls in at the bottom there? It pulls out at the top. So I need to do something that's going to level it out while it's on the wall. So let's see what we can find. What I found were these brown wooden beads. Actually, they were multicolored, but I went ahead and painted them all gray, and they're about dry now, and I'm going to coat them, I think, with some Mod Podge, and then I'm going to hot glue them onto the ones that are finished. And then, yeah, we'll be good to go. Woohoo! Finished clocks! Yay!